We arrived in St. Lucia 11 o'clock in the morning. We spent the morning exploring some surf shops and bought some groceries from Banana Box and ShopRite. Banana Box is a famous local grocery store, and then we headed to Wimpy for a cup of coffee before checking into our accommodation. We stayed at the Manzini Chalets. This would be our fourth time staying here. The accommodation is very affordable. We usually make the booking through Airbnb. I'll leave a link to the accommodation in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. The unit that we stayed in was Unit 16. Up to 4 people can stay here. There are 2 bunk beds and 1 double bed. There is also a closet with extra blankets, a hairdryer, a safe, and a place to hang some of your clothing. It also has a fully equipped kitchen with a stylish design. And the bathroom has a shower bath combo and 1 sink. While braaiing, we spotted a few monkeys. Just look at the baby holding onto its mother. It doesn't want to leave her side. It was so cute to witness. Even though they may look cute, they could just as easily trash your home. For dinner, we decided to braai and just have a chill evening. On the grill, we made garlic bread, cheese grillers, beef skewers, and the Texan steak.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. It's our second day in St. Lucia. We are on our way to Cape Vidal to go snorkeling. It's a nice and sunny day. The weather app did forecast some windy weather, but hopefully it's not too bad.
The wind was really bad, but we tried to make the best of it. We then decided to go snorkeling, and Ian saw an angel shark. It was our first time seeing an angel shark while snorkeling. Good morning. It is Monday. It is our last morning in St. Lucia. We decided to walk on the boardwalk and enjoy the beach before going home. While walking, something caught my eye and I saw small crabs running around along the boardwalk. It is a great way to get some exercise in and enjoy the beauty of nature. It was a beautiful sunny morning. It was a little windy, but not as bad as yesterday. We really enjoyed our time on the beach before heading home. Before heading out of town, we saw two warthogs. It looked like a mama and a baby warthog. The baby warthog was so cute.
to know more about what type of content I'll be sharing, then click on this video next. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified